Hey YouTubers, what's going on? Hope this video brings you some peace and joy today. This is a black car. I thought I'd shoot a video on how do you keep a black car looking so good. So I've had a bunch of black cars, and if you know anything about black cars, they look great when they're clean, like this one does right now. And they look pretty bad when they get dirty, which takes about half of 1 second. They just attract dirt and dust and debris just so easily. But I've had a bunch of black cars. Had a black Fiesta ST. My Prelude was black. My Mini was black. My wife's car is black, although it's gone right now. And several others. So yeah, getting it to look good though is a challenge. A lot of people, I've heard people say, I'm not ever going to own a black car because they're so hard to keep clean. So it's true, but to me, part of the joy is how good it looks when you clean it. And I just shine this up again, and it's looking very good. This is a 2015, so we're talking about 10 years old and 122,000 miles. And just get some reflections here. You can see the paint. And this car wasn't necessarily like always garaged. It was a driver. You can look at the hood and see that there's a good amount of, little chips and stuff. So you can see on the bumper here. So it's not, perfect by any means, but it looks really wonderful. So the question is, how do you do it? Particularly if it lives outside. And so I got a couple things I'll show you that I've been kind of doing over the years. Three things I've learned, kind of 3 steps. Number one, you have to clean the car, and then I would use a clay bar. So clay bar does wonders. It removes all the old wax, debris, anything stuck in the paint. The clay pulls it out. And so, it's a process. It takes, I don't know, on a car this size, maybe like an hour. And, it's enjoyable. Sweat a little bit. And you'll get the paint, you'll get all that stuff free, all that debris out, all that old wax and, whatever's been put in there. So that's sort of like your reset for the paint. And then the next thing I do is wax the car, wax polish. Now, I'm not a pro, so if you saw this in person, it looks great. So, there's people that might disagree with my methodology here, but my cars look great. I always get people that comment on them all the time. And so yeah, this may be the wrong official way to do it, but what I do, I wash in clay bar, and then I will put some kind of wax on it. Now, a really great one is these color waxes. This stuff here is black wax. Don't mind my poison ivy. I've been cutting trees down last week. You can get this product. This is called ceramic acrylic black wax. I actually prefer the Turtle Wax Color Magic. Now I'm out of black, but I have this blue for my blue car, and I have this red for my red car. And so what this is it's an actual colored wax with some kind of pigment or dye or something in it. And it really does work. It really, really does work. And so if you grab the black one, it's the same thing. It's Turtle Magic Color Magic, the Turtle Wax Color Magic Ultra Black. And it really deepens. This is another comparable product, and here's another one I tried from Carfidant. They're all kind of the same. They all kind of do the same thing. It's just a colored wax. And it really does fill in, chips and scratches and swirls. You got to reapply it every few months probably. But again, this car looked nothing like this when I bought it. It looked like any other Accord you'd see on the road in terms of the paint. And I really was able to bring it back with that product I showed you. And then the third thing, which kind of takes the next level and gives it that extra shine, is just once you do the wax and you put it on and then you take it off, with a soft towel. I love this product. You can get these on Amazon. This was like $70 when I bought it years ago. It's probably double that now. But an random orbital polisher with a wool pad. Very easy to use and fun. And you just follow the instructions, you go over the whole car with it, and it kind of gives it that final shine. And then what I always do after I hit it with the wool pad is I will just take a soft microfiber towel and just kind of go over it, just kind of wipe it off one more time, something like this, and that will kind of just get all that, because the wool kind of gets everywhere, so because it's fibers. So, but I mean, it is super slick, this paint. I wish you could feel it. I mean, it's like just perfect, and gives it a great look. And then a couple days later it's dirty again. But I think it looks really good. This is my 6.6 Accord, and I've actually tried to buy 5 or 6 other cars since I sold my EM1 a few months ago, and looked at an MR2. Actually looked at 3 MR2s in the last few weeks, and didn't get them for one reason or another, but we'll see. Something's gonna fill in that empty spot right there eventually. Just haven't found what I'm looking for yet. Looking at cars, it's like you got your objective list, and then you kind of also have all your like heart reasons for wanting to own one. So I'm figuring all that out. But anyhow, that has nothing to do with this video. This video is about how to keep your black car looking great, and I hope this has inspired you. Just do one more little walk around here and get it right at 7 minutes. This is the 2015 Gen 9.0 Accord Coupe V6 6-speed. Wonderful car. Thought I'd have sold it by now, but I can't part with it. It is just so good. It does everything. All right, peace. God bless you. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.